3 tips of solid business financial advice. With the economy in the state it is currently in, it's more important than ever to carefully plot the course for your business. Many businesses will fail during this economic downturn, but if you find someone who can give you a good business financial advice, you'll have a much better shot at making it through and being stronger when things turn around. One thing you can do to help your business succeed is to find a good accountant. You shouldn't pay more than absolutely necessary in taxes. A good accountant can help you find legal tax breaks and help you minimize your tax exposure. Just be careful. You don't want to get involved with someone who is dishonest. Saving a few $1,000s today isn't worth the nightmare that could come down the road if you get audited. Here is a list of some of the ways you can find a good accountant to help you out with all of your business accounting needs. Keep these tips in mind when you are interviewing professionals. They will help you choose just the right person for your business. Remember, you will be working closely with your accountant, so make sure to find someone who is not only qualified, but someone you actually like and think you can easily work with too. Number 1, ask other business owners if they can recommend a good accountant. Remember that any accountant will have the knowledge to help with your business to a point, but you want an accountant that specializes in business taxes specifically. Your business will require a much higher level of specialization than most people's personal taxes. You want an accountant who is up to date on all the rapidly changing rules and who can help you legally minimize your tax burden. Legally lowering your tax consequences with the right financial advice is one of the best ways to help your business succeed. The lower your tax consequences, the more money you can keep and put back into your business to help shore it up during these rough economic times. Number 2, you may want to consider hiring an accounting firm instead of a single accountant. Why? Because you are likely to have many different elements of financial advice you'll need beyond just business tax advice. Hiring a firm can make it possible to work with several accountants, each one specializing in a certain area. For example, one accountant might be an expert in business issues, while another might have more expertise in personal finance and estate planning. By combining the strengths of each of these accountants, you are getting the absolute best advice for all your financial needs. Making sure you have all of your bases covered is the reason you hire an accountant in the first place. Number 3, if you want to make sure you take good care of your business, but just don't have a lot of money right now to hire an expensive accountant, you might want to consider buying some accounting software. Most software will have regular updates as tax laws change, and they are usually just plug and play and pretty user-friendly. Some software programs even offer live help if you have questions that aren't answered by the software. If you decide to go this route, it would also be a good idea to ask other business owners if they have a recommendation of which software they prefer. That will give you a starting point, though ultimately it will be your decision based on your needs. There are many highly trained professionals that can give you great business financial advice. Just take a little time, ask some questions, and find the one who you think will be easy to work with and who you think will be able to offer your business the best advice.